Imagine you're a financial magician, able to conjure up savings, investments, and financial freedom with a wave of your wand. Have you ever wished there was a simpler way to manage your money? A magical financial assistant that could help you save more, invest smarter, and achieve your financial goals with ease? In today's fast-paced world, managing finances can be a daunting task. From keeping track of expenses to planning for the future, it requires time, effort, and often a bit of financial know-how. That's where Vivid Money comes in. What is Vivid Money? Vivid Money is more than just a digital bank. It's a financial platform designed to make your money work harder for you. Think of it as your personal financial wizard, guiding you through the complexities of money management and helping you make informed decisions. Key features of Vivid Money. Smart budgeting. Say goodbye to overspending. Vivid Money helps you set realistic budgets, track your expenses, and understand where your money is going. Roundup savings. Every time you make a purchase, Vivid Money automatically rounds up the amount to the nearest whole number and saves the difference. It's a simple yet effective way to grow your savings over time. Goal-based saving. Have a dream vacation, a new car, or a down payment on a house. Vivid Money allows you to create personalized savings goals and track your progress. Investment options. Want to start investing but don't know where to begin? Vivid Money offers a range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, making it easier to diversify your portfolio. Financial education. Vivid Money doesn't just manage your money, it also educates you. Access articles, tutorials, and financial tips to improve your money management skills. Benefits of using Vivid Money. Simplicity. Vivid Money is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to manage their finances. Accessibility. With the Vivid Money app, you can access your account and manage your money from anywhere, anytime. Security. Your financial information is protected by advanced security measures, ensuring your peace of mind. Customization. Vivid Money allows you to personalize your experience, from your account settings to your spending habits. How to get started with Vivid Money. Signing up for Vivid Money is quick and easy. Simply download the app, create an account, and start exploring the platform's features. In conclusion, Vivid Money is a powerful financial tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to save more, invest smarter, or simply gain better control of your finances, Vivid Money is here to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving and investing.